Hey guys, I'm back to mom's basement. However, it looks really nice. And it's located in Kuala Lumpur. But still, it's mom's basement. I'm a loser. Yeah, guys, that's true. I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Amazing place. Amazing place. I did not expect this. Okay? I didn't expect it. And I have an amazing view here, as you can see, and as you could see from the video that I showed you. When I'm going to make the apartment tour, actually I cannot even make it in one video because this place have so many amenities and it's so I don't know, it's so amazing, this place. And I actually I did not even knew that I'm going to be on this floor. And guess what floor I'm at. Okay? It's amazing. It's the first time for me being so high, living in such a high floor. It's the first time for me, and it's absolutely stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. During the day, but especially during the night, it's amazing. And as I was saying, if I were to make a video about the place, I could not. It will take me a few hours to do, or at least an hour. It will be too long. So what I'm going to do when I'm gonna start showing you the place, I'm going to break it into different videos, because as I said, the place has so many amenities that, you know, besides the apartment. It's absolutely beautiful. So let me know what floor you think I'm at, okay? And yeah, the place is amazing. In fact, I've been here for less than a week, but I've been here for a while. I'm trying to record my videos ahead of time. And honestly, I haven't really been out of the building. I mean, I've been out to eat, but just around the building. It's so amazing. The place is just so amazing, and it has so many amenities. But I'm gonna show you in the future. So I haven't been visiting anything. Well, I also had a lot of work to do, but still, I'm gonna be here for a while. I booked this place for 1 month through Airbnb. I could have taken my advice and book it just a couple of nights and then come here and book it for cheaper for a longer period. For some reason, I thought I will miss out on the place because the area is also very good. And yeah, the price obviously is more expensive than what I paid for the apartment in Pattaya, Thailand, but still I think many of you will find it reasonable. But anyways, the city so far is amazing. People here are absolutely amazing. I truly enjoy the building. It's the first time I'm staying in a building like this, and I'm like also looking at the apartment right now. It's the first time I'm staying in a building like this. I'm just impressed. Obviously, I cannot tell you much more about the city because I haven't really experienced the city or visited. some places, but here in Kuala Lumpur. But also, by the way, if you've been to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, let me know what I should visit, because as I said, I don't know if you watch my other videos or not, but I was saying in the other videos that I was planning on going to Laos, but I came here. Last minute I decided I'll come to Malaysia. I never even thought I will come to Malaysia. That was not on my list. So if you know any places or anything that I should visit, you know, attractions or anything like that, that you think they're really worth it, or what impressed you, let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see what fits me. But yeah, and thank you in advance. I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, so next videos are going to be from here, or are going to be from the other areas in the building, which are absolutely stunning and beautiful. There's like a rooftop view. It's just amazing. Anyways guys, that's it. That's the little update about this place. The city so far, even though I did not experience it that much, is amazing. People here, the ones that I've interacted with up until this point, are amazing. Malawi people, I think that's how you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. But the locals here are absolutely amazing as well. There is also a lot of foreigners, but everyone I've interacted, super nice, super friendly. So that's it. See you in the next video.